Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In the previous video, we have learned that how to implement the Promise.all method, but there was one thing that if one of the promise got rejected, then it was only returning the rejected response. It was not returning us the response of those promises which were resolved, right? In this case, we don't want it. We also want the response of those promises which were resolved. So for that, we do have a method which is called all settled. Then as you can see that our response has changed with what it will do, it will return us an array with an object of status, and it will tell you the status. If it will resolve, then it will tell you the status of fulfilled. If it got rejected, then the status will be rejected, and if it got resolved, then the it will return the value, and if it got rejected, then it will return the reason. So this is the difference between promise.all and promise.all settle. So let me come over here and write one of the difference. In case of promise.all, if any of the promise got rejected, then it will only return the rejected promise. In case of all settled, it will return all the promises whether it is resolved or rejected. So this is one of the main difference of promise.all and promise.all settled. And for example, if you go to an interview anywhere and your interviewer asks you this question, then you can tell this to him or her, right? So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.